Hello children, a very good morning to all of you. You all have spent your summer vacation just now, and I believe that this was a very happy and comfortable summer vacation. Myself, Anuradha Sinha, your class teacher, is going to take your class from today onwards. Now, I would be taking your English as well as maths. I have already sent the routine in the group. You all can go through the routine and see the names of the respective subject teachers who are going to take your different subjects. So, let me first talk about your summer vacation. Hope you have spent your summer vacation very happily and comfortably, because in this lockdown period perhaps none of you might have left your home and gone to any other place, maybe your grandfather's house or uncle's house or any other place where you all would have thought to spend it earlier. So, I believe you all have not only spent your summer vacation happily, but at the same time, you all might have spent your time in studying also and doing your holiday homework. And very soon, I would be asking all of you to submit your holiday homework in the group so that I can do the correction and send it back to you. So, as I have seen the videos of your previous class and I have seen that you have completed till Little Pushy. Today we would be continuing with the next part of it. That is, we would start with chapter 6. Chapter 6 says that this is a chapter which contains AR sound words. That means in this chapter you would be getting so many words that has the sound of AR. Now before we start this chapter, we will first try to learn the different words that start with AR and how they are spelled. How do we spell those words? We will first understand the spelling of those words, the meaning of those words, and the pronunciation of those words. After dealing with all these words, we would move to the next chapter, that is the chapter which contains all those words. So let us start first. I would first be reading the words, and after you hear the words that I read, you would practice it by listening to the video. Parents, please see to it that the words that I am reading out, the children spell out those words 2-3 times at home, and at the same time they learn the spelling also of all these words. So here we go. Lark, L-A-R-K, lark. First I will spell out the words and then I will explain you the meanings of those words, so that with every new word you come to know the meaning of it. This will make you more confident. This will make you more smart, because every word has a meaning, and the child who knows more and more meaning of a word gets more and more confident about it. So, the first word is L-A-R-K, lark. P-A-R-K, park. D B-A-R-K, dark. B-A-R-K, bark. M-A-R-K, mark. S-H-A-R-K, shark. S-P-A-R-K, spark. P-A-R-T, part. C-A-R-T, cart. D-A-R-T, dart. C-H-A-R-T, chart. S-T-A-R-T, start. S-M-A-R-T, smart. A-R-M, arm. F-A-R-M, farm. A-L-A-R-M, alarm. C-A-R-D, card. L-A-R-G-E, large. B-A-R-G-E, barge. F-A-R, far. C-A-R, car. S-C-A-R, scar. B-A-R, bar. J-A-R, jar. S-T-A-R, star. P-A-R-T-Y, party. So, these are a list of words which contains AR in it. See, in all these words, can you see common alphabet? That is AR. Every air is AR. AR. Can you see here, children? In every place, you can see AR is present. So, these words are known as AR sound words. Now, let us understand the meaning of these words. Lark, a small brown bird that makes a pleasant sound. एक छोटी सी भूरी रंग की चिड़िया जो बहुत ही मीठे आवाज में बोलती है. Park, an open area with trees, flowers, grass. एक खुली जगह जहाँ पौधे होते हैं, पेड़ होते हैं, फूल होते हैं, घास होती है, उसे हम बगीचा भी कहते हैं. Dark, with no light, जहाँ रोशनी ना हो, अंधेरा. Bark, cry, sound of a dog, कुत्ते की बोलने की आवाज. Mark, a spot, किसी भी तरह का मार्क, कोई निशान. Shark, a large sea fish that has a lot of sharp teeth. एक बड़ी सी समुद्री मछली जिसके बहुत ही नुकीले दांत होते हैं. Spark, a flash of light. Flash of light मतलब रोशनी. अचानक से जब रोशनी आए उसे स्पार्क कहते हैं. Part, some but not all of a thing, एक छोटा सा हिस्सा. Cart, a light vehicle with wheels that is pulled or pushed, एक हल्का सा गाड़ी या एक छोटा सा गाड़ी जिसमें चक्के होते हैं और जिसे खींचा जाता है. जैसे बैलगाड़ी, गाड़ियाँ जो इस्तेमाल होती हैं बैलों के पीछे. Dart, an object like a small arrow. Now this is something which you all might have seen. ये हर बच्चे के घर में ये एक गेम होता है जहाँ छोटा सा एरो होता है और उसे नंबर के ऊपर बच्चे फेंकते हैं। जिस नंबर पे उन्हें पियर्स करना है या टारगेट करना है वो उस एरो को उस पे फेंकते हैं ताकि वो उस नंबर पे जाके हिट करे। दैट इज़ नोन एज डार्ट। चार्ट, अ ड्राइंग which shows information. Chart paper that you all might have seen in school during your vacations. Your project work is given to you that on a piece of chart paper you have to draw parts of plant, or you have to draw different kinds of vegetables or different kinds of flowers. So what you do, you draw it on a chart, and this chart, this is a drawing which shows information. जो किसी भी तरह का information देता हो वो चार्ट कहलाता है। Start, to begin, doing something, किसी भी चीज़ की शुरुआत करना, that is known as start. Smart, having a clean and tidy appearance, where the child looks smart. A child looks smart when the child is clean, when the child is tidy, well dressed, then that gives a smart appearance. Arm, the part which connects shoulder to hand. शरीर का वो हिस्सा जो आपके कंधे को हाथ से जोड़ता है, वो शरीर का हिस्सा आर्म कहलाता है। यू ऑल कैन टच योर शोल्डर, अपने कंधे को टच कीजिए, अपने हाथों को टच कीजिए और देखिए कि कंधे और हाथ को कौन सा शरीर का हिस्सा जोड़ता है। विच पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी कनेक्ट्स शोल्डर एंड हैंड, दैट पार्ट इज नोन एज आर्म। अलार्म, अ वार्निंग ऑफ डेंजर। अ वार्निंग, खतरे की सूचना देना, दैट मीन्स टू अलार्म अबाउट अ डेंजर, टू इन्फॉर्म अबाउट अ डेंजर, दैट इज अ अलार्मिंग सिचुएशन। अलार्म। कार्ड, अ थिक पेपर हैविंग information. Now this is very simple. You all might have seen birthday card, anniversary card, new year card, whenever there is any occasion in your house, isn't it? So what this card is made up of? This is made up of a thick paper. एक मोटे से पेपर पे जब हम किसी भी तरह का इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं, इट मे बी डेकोरेटिव ऑल्सो, इट मे बी सिंपल ऑल्सो, सजा हुआ भी रहता है या सिंपल वर्ड्स रहते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज कार्ड। लार्ज, ग्रेट साइज, मीन्स बिग, इन ह्यूज, बहुत बड़ा। बार्ज, टू पुश people out of the way in order to get past them. ढकेलना, लोगों को ढकेल के वहाँ से अलग करना ताकि वहाँ से निकला जा सके। Far, a long way away, बहुत दूर, that is known as far. His house is far away from mine. उसका घर मेरे घर से बहुत दूर है। कार, you all know this. What the meaning is? A road vehicle, एक ऐसा सवारी जो सड़कों पर चलता है और उसके 4 चक्के होते हैं। In other words, you can simple say car is a means of land transport. Scar, a mark on skin. स्किन के ऊपर जब किसी तरह का कोई दाग हो, कोई निशान हो, कोई कट का निशान हो तो उसे स्कार कहते हैं, दैट इज अ स्कार। बार, टू ब्लॉक, दैट मीन्स टू स्टॉप एनीबडी फ्रॉम डूइंग अ थिंग, टू बार। जार, अ ग्लास कंटेनर विथ अ लीड, एक ग्लास कंटेनर, शीशे का कंटेनर, कांच का बना हुआ कंटेनर, कंटेनर मतलब कोई डब्बा, विथ अ लीड जिसके ऊपर ढक्कन हो. Star, a large ball of burning gas in outer space that you all see twinkling in the sky at night. Isn't it? Do you remember the rhyme, the nursery rhyme? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So this is that star, a large ball of burning gas. एक बड़ा सा बॉल गैस का जलता हुआ बर्निंग गैस, जिसके वजह से जब रोशनी होती है, एंड दैट light you see in the sky, and that is known as star. Party, a occasion, an occasion to which people are invited, and they sing together, they dance together, they eat together, and they spend their time happily. एक ऐसा ओकेज़न जहाँ लोगों को इनवाइट किया जाता है और लोग एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं और अपना समय बिताते हैं, हंसते गाते एक साथ खाना खाते हुए. और you all have enjoyed so many parties. You all go to the birthday party, you all go to the marriage party, isn't it? So this is that word only which you all are aware of. So children, today we have learned so many new words, and all these words have one thing in common. They all have AR. These two letters are common in all these words. So what you have to do is, you have to learn all these words, and then you have to spell it out. You have to learn it properly, and you have to pronounce it also properly. Now once again I would be reading out all those words so that you can come to know how to pronounce these words, and then you go through those words and practice it at home. Lark, park, dark, bark, mark, shark, spark. Part, cart, dart, chart, start, smart. Arm, farm, alarm, card. Large, barge. Far, car, scar, bar, jar, star. Party. This is the last word. So for today we have to do only till here. Practice this at home and learn it properly. Thank you, children.